this to be perfect. I'm so excited about this video. If you guys have been watching my channel, probably like 2018, I've been doing Dr. Martens lookbooks, how to style videos, and I haven't done one in so long. It's more than time to do another one for 2024. I know people still watch those videos of mine, so I'm really excited to be partnering today with Dr. Martens. Dr. Martens is going soft. These are the Adrian loafers from the Ambassador collection in the color Cashew. These shoes, took them out of the box and I wore them with no socks. Buttery soft, so comfortable. Definitely want to like kind of play around with them myself and see how many different ways I can style them. I wore this outfit today. I'm gonna be styling a couple other pieces geared a little bit more towards the fall time because personally wear Dr. Martens in the fall, winter, spring, whatever, but they ultimately feel a lot like a fall shoe. So I was excited to like bring out some of my sweaters and pants and style them that way. I hope the AC kicks on a little bit better before I get into those outfits because I'm sweating. It's so hot out. Okay, but here's the first look. Let me show you these shoes up close actually. We've got the Adrian loafer and these are in brown. I'm really excited because if you guys watch my video, I always talk about, I feel like I'm talking with my feet. I always talk about how I feel like I'm missing brown loafer from my collection. Sometimes a black loafer just like feels a little bit too aggressive and I feel like this is the perfect amount of like chunk. There's no platform. It's such a classic style that it doesn't feel like something you could ever go wrong with when reaching for a loafer. They're just really comfortable. I have like some different ways to style them. Socks, no socks, colored sock, pants, dresses, all that stuff. But here's the first outfit I want to show. This is very like cottagecore meets vintage. Like with these, they're just such a classic like vintagey piece. So I feel like I would want to wear my Birkin basket. You guys, I can't find those big bug eye sunglasses. Should I take like 5 seconds right now and look? Those like big 70s sunnies. I think if I just put my mind to it. What is this? Vaseline. I was letting my baby play with a tub of Vaseline last night and it definitely stained my little dress. That's unfortunate. I've worn this dress 3 days straight. It's just so cute and the loafers is so stinking adorable. So a very preppy look, not preppy, girly, cottagecore, but it works. Still sticking with the summer theme because I gotta wait until this AC turns on. Like I feel like I look like I put 8 pounds of blush on, but I'm actually just hot as... Wait, I wanted to do this. I always love the look of a white frilly dress under a like varsity style jacket. Very cool. And it, again, just feels like a super vintage look, like a little cheerleader wearing my boyfriend's jacket, the quarterback's jacket. It's mine. My dad got it for me off Facebook Marketplace. I do not like it with the shorts. I gotta change the shorts. And I said I was gonna be summery and I put on a sweater. Is that too playful, this skirt? I think it's too playful. I'm going for like a very preppy, like kind of school uniform vibe, which seems weird, but it's gonna be cute if you guys would just freaking give me a minute. I'm just gonna show you guys this one because somebody out there might like it, but I'm like sweating so badly right now that I can't focus. I think I know how to like save this outfit immediately, but it is kind of cute, like this vibe. I think my only gripe with it is that like my skirt needs to be a little shorter, and I always feel like that with this skirt now because I got this. I mean, my weight just fluctuates a lot because I gave birth almost 2 years ago, and I feel like I'm still just don't know what my body is gonna stay at. I think that this is a really fun way to style, especially the brown pair of Adrian loafers is with more blacks and blues. I always talk about this, but I feel like a big trend and just something I like is like black and blue and this kind of like warm brown color. I love how the loafers look with the black sock, and I actually wanna try it on again with that little white dress. So here's outfit number 2, just sticking with the vintage preppy vibes of the shoe that it already gives off. I really like mixing vibes with the shoe and then also staying true to like few core ways that it's been styled throughout the decades. Here's what I think is just like a more wearable version of what we just had on. Pinstripe trousers, and I think that these are technically navy. They're so like dark blue that you can't really tell, but I absolutely adore how they look with these loafers. The loafers have such a good, not like platform, just like own chunk that makes sense with the shoe, because I really don't like a chunky shoe when it looks like forced. Like when you're wearing a Doc Marten, you know that it's gonna have that bit of chunk. Just like so classic, so cute. The brown and the black. What bag? I'd probably just do my black bag and kind of let the shoes be the star. You guys know this is my bag I carry 24/7. I'm sure you guys already know this, but if you guys want to shop Adrian loafers, you can use the link in the description box to shop the collection. I've got way more outfits planned, so keep watching, please. My Clorox wipes. I'm a mom. And I have a sticker on the bottom. I've had that for like days now, and then I see it and I just like forget to pull it off. Part of a sticker. Okay, now we can pose. I know we already had this dress on, but like look how much it changes just adding the black sock. I really like the look of that, and especially if maybe you live somewhere where it's a lot hotter. And I kind of did a video like this last year, but you want to give like fall vibes. I know it's like just August, so I'm not ready for fall. These shoes make me a little bit ready. Like adding different colors can make some more summery pieces feel fall. Yeah, and look what I found. They're just so, look at that difference a sock makes. I actually think I prefer the black sock over the white sock. Maybe it's because the white sock is a bit chunkier, which is like my own issue, but okay, I think I'm gonna keep, no, I'm gonna do a white or no sock. Probably white socks, yeah. Maybe you can tell, maybe you can't. I think that looks better. I really like this like vintage ringer tee with the little polka dots. I feel like the styles go really well together. And then just like a sunglass, and probably the basket might be too much. But is the black bag like not match at all? This will be too much. Who doesn't like being too much? Or I have a red bag. Could that be like stupid or good? Stupid. Oh, I kind of like the matching red bag. I think that's fun that it matches the skirt and not something else, like the shoe. Here's the next outfit. Again, I went for a vintage look, but just totally different than the first ones. I just really wanted to show like the versatility of the shoe, and I feel like that's what I showed in my old lookbooks with my Doc Marten. I can't remember the number styles that I've done. I know I did the Jaden and then the like kind of Oxford one. If you guys want to see a styling video of my Mary Jane Doc Martens, I can totally do that for you guys also. So cute. I'm so happy I went with the brown too. I feel like it's a really good way to wear them in the summertime and in the winter. Let's do another more summery outfit. I'm quite literally wearing somebody's school uniform right now, and if this is your school uniform, I'm so jealous. I was a little fashion girly at heart from the first grade. I went to Catholic school, and we had little jumpers just like this. And when I switched to public school and didn't need the jumper anymore, my mom and I cut the bottom into a mini skirt, and like basically every year for Halloween I was School of Rock and like one of the, you know, kids at the end who was in the band, whatever. So I'm basically doing that now. So if you're like, that just reminds me of private school, my uniform, me too, in a good way. I feel like, again, just like a very vintage vibe with the 70s sunglasses, but then I don't feel like I need, like kind of a black bag works because it's almost like if you were wearing this, you're probably wearing like a black backpack. Outfit number whatever. Is this sweater on top weird because like the color combo? Sweater's from Jenny Kane. It's like just a really amazing silhouette, but I feel like because the gray in the skirt is so like blue gray, and this is like a more warm tone gray, it doesn't work. Like this is cute, it's fine, but because it's like oversized, it really feels like I'm in a school uniform now. Like, and I've got the skirt on. One more try. I was really curious how these would look with capris, and I feel like I'm kind of like trying to figure out now if it's with socks or with no sock. I think socks, surprisingly. I was so sure it was gonna be no. This is so fun, very vintage, but I adore it. I love this combo. It's no surprise that I like it with these shoes. If you watch my old Doc Martens like lookbooks videos, I feel like my last one, when I was in Chicago, there's probably so many really questionable outfits in that. But if you go to my one when I was in college in like 2018, I don't know, I feel like that one, I had better style before like I let a little bit of this like influencering stuff go to my head. Sometimes I look at my outfits now and I'm like, or from just like then and last week, and I'm like, what the yuck? It's just because I've done so many. Those like first outfit videos that I got to do were so things I wore 24/7, you know what I mean? This is the next outfit. We're giving very like picnic, but again, such a vintage vibe. I need to do some work on these pants. I've currently got just like a safety pin in them overcross because they are too big on the waist, but I'm gonna take that in. I literally should do it before I leave. My dad got a new sewing machine and it's all set up always, so I can do it so quickly. Will I? Probably not. I love the brown with the black and the white. I normally don't put on this vest with jeans because I just feel like there's other more interesting things to do with it. I really like how it looks. Shoes, because they're giving like old man. This vest gives like old man, you know, like in the nuances, not in like I do not look like an old man in these pieces, I'll say that. But just pairing them with some nice loose fitting, medium wash or kind of light wash jeans, I think it's really, really cute and I adore this vibe so much. I think also like if we wanted to make it girly, we could just do like the little red purse. You guys know me, I'm not like a little bit more practical in that stuff, and I think like the big bag kind of elevates the look to do this kind of like androgynous, cool girl, so chillax. I adore it with these shoes, you guys. Like, oh, I'm so happy to just start like wearing them to the ground forever, basically. Okay, so I do feel like if you're not wearing this like out to dinner or like a bit more fancy and like in a very specific weather, it's hard to wear Capri or jeans and a tank top or even a t-shirt, honestly. Like, I just feel like there's never the right weather, at least in Michigan for it. It's either like so humid or freezing. So I like to do baggy on baggy, and I still really like the Rugby style like polo tops, so I'm gonna put this one on. I will be wearing this all fall and winter. Like, I already know this is so me. I feel like you guys don't see me dress like this as often, like super baggy. I dress a bit more feminine, and I have been recently, in the summer at least, but this was actually my brother's polo Rugby shirt. I think I want to crop it a little bit. It's a little bit long on me, but I love the look of just like all baggy, super masculine shoe as well. Isn't it so funny that the shoe can look so feminine and girly with like the white dress, and then it can look like this? I love it. And I'd probably just pair my big purse with it. And like, that's such a real outfit for me. I feel like so cute and casual and cool. I missed having a bit longer hair to do front or braids, so I'm very happy to have that back. My go-to style, braids and pigtails. Let's do same outfit, different font. This is quite literally same outfit, different font. We've got a vest, loose pants, but the same shoe. I love the color combos of this. I've got a gray sock on right now, but I didn't want to put on white. If I had a beige sock, that would be perfect, because pink color honestly just goes so much better with a beige. It's this like muted, I don't know, with the pants and the shoes, like it needs a beige. It doesn't need a white. So if I had beige socks, that would help me, but something that's so stark white is just not gonna look right. I feel like my black purse is just like totally the wrong vibe, or like very like 70s right now. So like maybe the basket, but like no, I don't know. I would have to figure out purse. Maybe I just don't like have it. Sunglasses are fine. Like, I don't even think it needs it, but I really like how this looks too. So fun. I need a different bra on too. Might just like either add a stitch right here, have a safety pin, and close the rest of this vest, because I just don't think I'd ever wear it over a top. This is from cotton. I'd much more likely wear it just closed off. Could I wear it backwards? Let's try it. I may have just unlocked my new favorite top. Why does that look so much better on me? I seriously adore it, and like the back looks adorable. I didn't get to tie it that well because I need some help. How fun is that? That's really cute. I like a high neckline a lot better on me, so that makes a lot more sense to me. Okay, and then I also think this could be cute. It's like a little bit more crazy, and it's like maybe not this top underneath, but also I don't want to do a white top because, like I said, the colors would just be wrong. And then I think now we could add the black bag. Like, how fun is that? Adorable. Very cute. You could also do a black loafer with this, but I'm like so into mixing brown and black, so I always say that. And I think if I add a brown sunglass, it will even it out a lot more. Look at that. Adorable. Hey, I'm so happy. So stinking cute. If you guys want to shop at Dr. Martin and check out them going soft, use the link in the description box to shop the collection. Again, I'm wearing the Adrian loafer. They'll be linked down below for you guys as well. I had so much fun with this video. It's so cool to do like such a full circle of me just like on my own fangirling over Dr. Martens. And now, I don't know, just being able to show you another pair to style. I can do these videos again. I love doing these kind of like specific how to style X, Y, or Z. So love you guys absolutely most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.